I look like Pikachu. Hey everybody, what is up? It's me, Merrrica. Today I'm going to be reviewing my first Influenster box. And of course they sent me the one with the Asian chick on it. And it was full of Kaja Beauty products. So I got some Kaja Beauty. In Korean, Kaja means let's go. If you didn't know, I am half Korean. So here is the info for it. I got a lip stain. I got the Mochi Glow highlighter. I got a heart-shaped blush, which is the cheeky stamp. And then I also got the Beauty Bento eyeshadow trio. So thank you, Influenster. Thank you, Kaja Beauty. And thank you for watching this video. I am going to get started by putting on a base layer of my face. And then I'm just going to try out these products. And I hope I love them. I really want to love them. Here I got my base layer of foundation on and both of my eyebrows. You gotta make sure they look like sisters, not twins. They ain't gotta be perfect. They just gotta look like they're related. Oh, this is so cute. This is the blush. Let me start out with the blush. No film before using. Okay, let me remove you, film. Oh, got it. Whoa, so it's like a spongy consistency. I'm assuming you just dip this in here. Wow, okay. I look like Pikachu. And this is nice, it just goes back in here for storage. Cool. I like that. Do I blend it? Can I just leave it like this? So I'm gonna take the same beauty blender that I used for my foundation. It's the disposable kind. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this. Okay, I like that. It blends super easy. And it smells good too. So there's the blush. Let me try out the eyeshadow. That is so pretty. Let me try to open it without breaking. Ooh, this one is nice. I'm loving this color. Do you see that? What you gonna do when I come through with that Okay, now I'm gonna try this bottom one here. And then I'm gonna do this middle one here on the inside. Then a little, just a little right there. Next, I'm gonna do the highlighter. So, here is the Mochi Glow. Ooh, that is a nice color. That is nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little brush. Alright, now I got my Kaja Beauty products on. I did the highlighter, the blush, the eyeshadow, and then now I'm just gonna do my lashes and my eyeliner real quick, and then I'll try out their lip color. Your crib could fit in my crib. Pretty-ish. Don't gotta say no more. Look at my face and they know they've seen it before. Oh, made it to vote. Put that pop, back and pop at the top. While we rock, they all rock. Had to stop. Have to shop. now I'm gonna try this Cushy Vibe. This is a lip stain. So I did the blush, I did the eyeshadow, the highlighter. Oh, I love the highlighter. And this is the final step. This is in Velvet. That's the color. Ooh, that is a deep color. Whoa. Okay, everyone. That is the Velvet Kaja Beauty lip stain. How do I look? I feel like I just did a tutorial on how to do your makeup like an Asian baby girl. I hope you enjoyed my first YouTube beauty video. It was a learning experience because I usually just smoke weed on the internet, so I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Watch my other videos, subscribe if you're not. Mwah! Thank you, Kaja Beauty.